Kong. We are getting ready to go to Hong Kong. We are waiting for the bus to Hong Kong Express. Interesting part is that now there is a direct connection between Macau and Hong Kong. It was built just 1 year ago, the bridge between the two parts. The interesting part is that you have to pass the immigration control to have immigration passport from Hong Kong to Milan. Dropped our luggage and we now are very hungry and gonna grab something to eat. Rice with what?
Goose.
With goose. I don't know how it's called in English.
Goose.
Ah, yeah, it's called goose. In Russian it's the same. Sorry.
Never tasted those marvelous, awesome roasted goose in my entire life. Let's go.
Okay, let's go there then. 4,000 reviews. So we must try that. Speechless. It's so different from our country. For us, it's like a cultural shock. It's so interesting. Everything. It's so interesting. Literally, my mouth is open. This is the entrance of the restaurant. It's a Michelin star, and here we have the queue. I got the ticket in 2 hours. 2 hours. So let's try it. Came out from the restaurant, and honestly, it was worth it. Goose was absolutely very tasty, very soft. It was sweet at the same time, really very tasty. Highly advised. For 2 people, 75 euro for 2 people with drinks. That's okay. It's expensive comparison to Philippines. Almost the same with Italy or going out for dinner. So it's a good price for a Michelin restaurant. Our room. So this is the bed. And yeah, we have an air conditioner, that's very important. Warm. We have some tea here, our luggages, and this is the bathroom. It's very teeny. Getting around Hong Kong is easy with its efficient metro system and ferries that connect the islands. A tip for you is to download the Octopus Card for tourists. Is a contactless card that allows you to pay buses, ferries, trams, metro, and shops. Visa and MasterCard are accepted, but not always. Hong Kong is renewed as a financial capital in Asia, boosted as a liberal capitalist economy. Key industry includes finance, consulting, electronics, and manufacturing. This amazing panorama view can be reached by ferry with only 80 centimeters. A bit of background. Hong Kong, like Macau, is a special administrative region of China. It was a British territory from 19th century following the Open War until 1997. Before British rule, it was a small fishing community. In 1997, Hong Kong was handed back to China under the principle one country, two systems. This means that while China handles the foreign affairs and defense, Hong Kong maintains a high degree of autonomy, has its own flag, language, Cantonese and English, currency, the Cantonese dollar, governance system, and even its own passport. Here we are in the Avenue of Stars. It's a captivating waterfront promenade. It pays tribute to the Hong Kong's film industry, akin to Hollywood Walk of Fame, the pathway of the iconic star Jackie Chan. An interesting place is this
luxury shopping mall with artwork, stores, and much more is K11 Musa. We decided to spoil ourselves with a typical dessert.
A very nice treat to try local food. It's full with restaurants and street food. You can try local cuisine, Cantonese cuisine, and it's very nice and good price as well. So, as you can see, it's crowded, but still you have place to sit and enjoy. Here you can get some local cuisine, dumpling with shrimps, and we have a medicine that's made of snake. It's very curious. I don't know what it is, but it's very curious. Traditional medicine. We are on the local tram here in Hong Kong, and it's so cool. They are old, so efficient, so practical. I absolutely love them. They are on two levels, and we are on the second level, and I can't stop myself by taking videos and pictures. You can see all the city like in a movie. It seems to be in a movie. It's everything so panoramical. It's for this bakery, like this bakery, and you just go.
This infrastructure is well known to be as a postal building. There are 5 buildings united and 18 floors altogether. I don't see much of like horror, and it's a normal situation.
It's interesting to see, but nothing unusual and so
In common, I may say that it's very clean, that people are very friendly, and everyone is taking pictures very calmly and in a nice atmosphere. I mean, it's a very dense, of course, a lot of flats of apartments, but it's not something unusual.
even a small shopping like market, so it's very clean and nice atmosphere. Chopsticks, one like the usual sushi roll, and the other one line is like express line. It's only for you. When you order, it will arrive here only for you. And from this, you just can have a tea. Finally, after taking the bus and making a circle to the first temple, and now we are going to see what's inside.
This is a Buddhist temple, and we are going to see the sideboard, but it's not allowed to build, so I'm gonna switch off the camera. Let's see inside. I feel so blessed. I absolutely adore this place. How can anyone not love this kind of nature and places? You have a garden from one side, and from over, just crossing the bridge, the temples, and like as the background you have a building, massive buildings, and the innovation of the city, and you are all in the middle of this, surrounded by the nature. And Yuji was asking me, what have you asked before?
So Hong Kong exceeded your expectations.
Yes, for sure.
And what about Macau?
As well. Honestly, I love them both, but I prefer Hong Kong for sure. I could live here because it's so diverse.
In 5 meters room.
No, of course no. But I mean, everything depends. But honestly, I love it so much because it has a vibe of Japan, a vibe of New York, and it's a big city, and at the same time it's a small city. So I feel like safe, and as well on the roads we were speaking before with Yuji that it's very safe here in comparison to Europe, I may say. There is a big mall, it's called Hollywood Park, and we are inside. We want to grab something to eat and to rest. I guess this is the toilets UG, and we are searching for as well for restrooms and to grab something to eat. It's a nice place if you wanna rest and yeah, and grab something to eat, so bear it in mind.
And I've got some spaghetti with the egg, salmon, caviar, and fresh juice, and it comes with this. You can get your souvenirs from these local shops, and you can buy as well the local kind of candles that are this. They're supposed to get fire and to pray in front of a temple.
Taking the sticks, I got two numbers falling down. One is 11 and one is 12. Okay, ready? You should put again. You can scan the QR code to see if it's a good number or a bad number. Since I have two of them, I will change the language that I forgot how to do it. It's already in English and I have 11, and it's very good, and as well all the story behind it, so it's very perspective, very super good. But from the other side I have 12, so let's see just quick. From the other side it's poor, and everything the life of a stick will meet the risk, and it's very bad. I'm like and what's the story behind, because they are opposite to each other. 11 it's super good and 12 it's really bad. So we crossed a local market, a street market, very nice fresh food, so we grabbed some dragon fruit for tomorrow breakfast. So nice. Every minute it's something surprising and completely interesting. I absolutely adore this kind of, I feel in another world completely. And the tram for me it was absolutely stunning, and I highly advise, if you are in Hong Kong, please, I highly recommend you. It's not cheap, but it's inexpensive. It's cheaper than the metro, and even if you don't need it, I will highly recommend you to try it, because you have such a view of the city, incredible. So for a ride, how much have we paid for a ride, just for a ride with the tram?
40 cents.
40 cents. So I may say that's really affordable, so do it.
Stay tuned for more adventures as we explore this vibrant city. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel vlogs. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.